Rubik's Cube and how it is all messed up. Hold it up. Turn it around. Nothing is solved. Go ahead. Jack is very focused.
Oh. What camera?
What's the matter, Will?
I really want to find it.
I'm sorry, it's hard to find in all of this stuff.
I am now on the second lineup.
Will, what's that? We have sound effects in the background.
Right now I'm on the second lineup.
Okay.
I didn't try to do that.
You did this at recess today?
I did it at recess. I am now on the third lineup.
Relax, Luke. And more sound effects in the background. How's it going, buddy?
Great.
You stuck?
Nope. I always check.
Okay. Oh my gosh, those are terrible noises in the background.
I hate the humans.
Hmm?
I don't like the color. No, I'm not doing that.
Wait. Let me see. Show me yellow, blue, white, orange, green. By the way, that was in just over 4 minutes. And I think that includes a time before you started when you were showing it off. So, well done.